Hello guys, today I will show you how to save an exact image of your SD, SSD, USB or HDD drive and save it into a file. This way, you can restore it later. This time I want to save the image of the raspy OS image I made in a video earlier. The SD card has a size of 32 GB big. That means I need at least 32 GB free on my device. If you don't have the space, use an external drive and save it there. To save on an external drive you would have to change the directory to cd/volumes/nameofdrive/. Alright, let's start with the process. First, connect your SD card. Then, you have to make out where your disk is on the system. For that type diskutil list. Find your drive. For me it is /dev/disk6/. For you, it is probably a different one. Be careful here and pick the right one. I can see that my drive is called boot, like a raspy OS installation is called. And also, that it has the size of 32 GB. Now copy, or remember your drive's location and write sudo dd if = location of your drive you want to take the image from. Then, of = name you want the image to have .dmg. You can find any command in the description below. Don't mess up the if and of here. After you are done, press enter. Now, you have to wait, depending on how big your drive is. It took me about 45 minutes to take an image of the 32 GB SD card. After completion you should see a message like this. Congratulations, you successfully backed up an exact image of your drive. In the next video I will show you how to restore the image on the drive. Nice. See ya.